Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you about the Ghost website. This is the best open source blog and newsletter platform according to me. Just go to ghost.org right here, and from there you can simply tap on to get started for free. This is basically for the small business owner who want to make their business larger. You have to enter your name, and then you have to enter your email address. So just let me type my email address right here. So now you have to enter your password. Enter your password from here and then tap continue. So after clicking on the continue, you have to enter your publication name. Now let's tap on to continue, and now you have to enter your card number, your expiration date, your security code, your country. Then you can start your free trial. Okay, so you can just start using it. Now let's talk about Ghost Trials other features. So this is a powerful app for professional publishers to create, share, and grow a business around their content. It comes with modern tools to build a website. That means you can build a website with Ghost AI like Ghost.org. You can publish content, send newsletters, and offer paid subscriptions to members. You can try it completely free for 14 days. Just try it, and if you don't like it, then you can just skip it. And here you can see these previously made Ghost templates. You can use any of them by simply tapping on them. You can use them and buy them with the written prices. For example, this one $149. For now I'm gonna visit demo. So there we go. This is what the homepage will look. This is very cool. You can just buy them. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.